Hey, it's Dom from 12 Tomatoes, bringing you yet another video. We are making roasted carrots today, and not only roasted carrots, but these sweet and spicy roasted carrots. We're gonna use a little brown sugar for the sweetness and a little harissa and cayenne pepper for the spice. Harissa comes in a powder. It also comes in a paste. It's a Moroccan spice mashed up with a whole bunch of chilies and cumin. It has such a really nice flavor, and it's very subtle. Roast it in the oven, we take it out, we dress it with a little lemon juice and some honey. Oh my God, I promise you're gonna add this to your next dinner party. Let's get into it. All right, so first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna mix up your spice blend. So you're just gonna mix up the harissa, some cayenne, and some brown sugar. That's our sweet and spicy mix. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw our nicely peeled and cut carrots into a bowl with some olive oil, toss it just to get those carrots nice and glistening. Then you're gonna toss in some salt and pepper alongside the harissa mixture. Toss those carrots to coat, get them all nice and coated in that mixture. Oh yeah, oh, it looks so good. Then you're just gonna spread it right onto a pan, nice and even. And then you're gonna throw it in the oven, let it roast for about 425 for about 15 minutes. Then you're gonna add on some fresh lemon juice, a little drizzle of honey, and some parsley. Oh, look at how roasted those carrots look. Oh my God, roasted carrots, 2022? Very in, very in.
12 Tomatoes.